Hey guys, so just an update video working on my Jeep. As you can see, I put the Jeep in the garage. Don't mind the mess. I had to move everything for the Jeep. It's my little woodworking area out there for pallet wood stuff. I sell that stuff. Anyway, so today, pretty much, we rolled it in here a few weeks ago. Today we got to grinding off the paint here. Found this in the glove box. Grinding off the paint, stuff like that, toolbox. Ground that off. Got the shop vac here and just cleaned up a lot of this rust and stuff like that. Took this thing, the grinder, and took all the paint and Bondo off of this here, and also took some fine sandpaper, sandpapered that. Unfortunately, I don't think there's any numbers here for the military. No, I don't think there's any star either. But yeah, so just working on that. Nothing too big. Talked to a friend of mine that's really into Jeeps. He came over and saw the Jeep, and he said it was a pretty nice Jeep. There's a few things that may be replaced on it. I could go into that. But the windshield here, the frame may be original here, but they extended it, as you can see here. The welds here and here, they extended it because apparently they were too tall, and the windshield is newer, and this part is newer, but the frame, I believe, is original, just because of that factor. We may take it down to the original height. We don't know yet. We're whatever. That's to be determined. But yeah, anyway, that's what we've been doing. We've been taking the paint off, the Bondo off. We actually, going back to this, we actually opened this here, and found like an 80s radio, whatever, probably for like going out of service. Well, in the 80s they didn't really have service, I don't know. Anyway, but yeah, it's one of those radios things that I'm not really into that kind of stuff, so I can't tell you. But yeah, we got a bunch of tools and other stuff like that out also, and cleaned that up with the shop vac, and it cleaned up pretty nicely. So have to take this paint out. I don't even know why they would paint it like that. Don't ask me. Put some lubricant in here. It's way better now. So yeah, and took over here, took some Bondo off over here, and paint looks so much nicer. Better gonna paint that. I have no idea how they put this many dents in here. I don't know if you can see that, so many dents. But they did it somehow. I don't know if that's World War II vintage or from the civilians using it. The civilians did put a lot of Bondo on it to cover that, so that's just great. Ugh. Bondo is a very annoying thing. Anyway, yeah, so that's pretty much it. We cleaned this up. All that paint that we took off of here, that fell down there, is all gone. cleaned up that area. Over there, there's a ton of leaves. Oh, there's still some leaves here. Oh, well, I'll get that later. Anyway, but yeah. Yeah, my friend said that this over here, this, where the oil, or not oil, the gas goes, may be from an M38, which, because World War II Jeeps had the gas under the seat, not by there. They're where you put the gas in. So that may be a M38 side instead of World War II side, which is quite possible. They could have taken that off later. And another reason why we think it's an M38. People in their stupid trucks. Anyway, another reason why we think it's an M38 is because there is no, or not, the Jeep is not M38 itself, but the siding, this side may be M38 because there's also no indents for the shovel and the axe. But everything else of the Jeep is original, except probably the back too. The back is this kind of stuff. So yeah. But other than that, everything else, except the steering wheel too. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. But everything else on the Jeep is mostly original World War II. So we're good there. Another reason why I think it's World War II is because they didn't have this thing for the machine gun after World War II for whatever. And also the data plates say 1943. So yeah, that kind of puts it at World War II. Anyway, yeah, so yeah, that's all what we've been doing. Just grinding paint off, cleaning it up better, nicer. So, yeah. I don't think I have anything else to really add here. That's pretty much it. I've caught you guys up to speed, and hopefully I can make another video soon. Been doing a lot, so it's this thing is going to be interesting. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next.